Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel MedMD. I am Lauren Winsett, and today we are going to talk about 9 best foods for healthy skin. When it comes skin health, I like to focus on specific nutrients that help to protect, heal, and moisturize. It is important to choose high-quality foods, organic and fresh, that contain these essential nutrients. From staying hydrated and minimizing fine lines to banishing pesky adult breakouts, the secret to younger-looking skin just may be sitting in your fridge. The antioxidants, like beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium, and B vitamins, function as bodyguards to your skin cells, helping protect them from damage. Omega-3s are also key for skin health and appearance, helping minimize the inflammation that can lead to cell degradation over time. To get those crucial nutrients, add these foods to your grocery shopping list as soon as possible. Watch this video to find out the best foods to eat for skin. Number 1 is broccoli. This juicy green vegetable is a powerful source of vitamins C and E, which aid in preventing the emergence of fine lines and wrinkles to keep the skin soft and supple. Moreover, broccoli boosts mighty regenerative properties, along with boosting the production of collagen that aids reversing the signs of aging. Number 2 is tomato. Tomatoes, one of the most delicious tastemakers, are incredibly rich in lycopene, which provides them their ripe red color along with countless skin-healing benefits. For instance, lycopene shields the skin against the harmful UV rays of the sun, giving it a baby-like softness. Moreover, tomatoes also aid the skin in preserving more moisture and oxygen, which gives it a youthful glow. Number 3 is avocado. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, particularly oleic acid, a kind of omega-9 fatty acid, which aids in keeping the skin deeply hydrated to prevent dryness, along with preventing the emergence of wrinkles. Moreover, avocados also give the skin a smooth and soft suppleness. Number 4 is watermelon. Watermelon is an incredibly powerful source of lycopene, which shields the skin against the damaging UV rays of the sun. This juicy red fruit is also a rich source of vitamin A, which aids in shrinking the pores to give your skin a youthful smoothness, along with retaining moisture and keeping the skin nicely hydrated. Number 5 is dark chocolate. Are you a dark chocolate fan? Here's some terrific news for you. Dark chocolate that contains at least 70% or higher concentration of cocoa boosts a powerful amount of flavonols that aid in enhancing blood circulation. This enhances the delivery of essential nutrients and minerals to every single cell within the human body. Moreover, flavonols also aid in shielding the skin against damage due to excessive exposure to the sun, along with keep it moisturized from deep within. Number 6 is strawberry. These ripe red delights are packed with vitamin C, folic acid, fiber and countless antioxidants that provide an abundance of health benefits. They are particularly beneficial for shielding the skin against the harmful UV rays of the sun, the emergence of wrinkles, and preventing the risk factors of skin cancers. Number 7 is bell pepper. Bell peppers boost an incredibly rich concentration of antioxidants and vitamin C. Adding them to your daily diet will not only help the skin retain more moisture and stay hydrated, but also, they will aid in cleansing the skin from deep within to flush out all toxins that cause dullness. Moreover, they also aid in enhancing blood circulation. Number 8 is pomegranate. These juicy red delights are loaded with powerful antioxidants, primarily vitamin C, which aids in preventing the emergence of fine lines, along with deeply moisturizing the skin to shield it against the appearance of wrinkles. Moreover, pomegranates also contain anthocyanins, which naturally increases the production of collagen to give sagging skin a firm and taut appearance. Pomegranates are a powerful source of ellagic acid that aids in shielding the skin against the damaging UV rays of the sun, giving it a supple glow. Number 9 is salmon. Salmon is incredibly rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which also aid the skin in retaining its moisture and staying hydrated, leaving the skin feeling smooth and rejuvenated. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids also help in maintaining the balance of the natural oils of the scalp, to give your hair a voluminous growth and a glossy luster. What you eat can significantly affect your skin health. Make sure you're getting enough essential nutrients to protect your skin. The foods on this video are great options to keep your skin healthy, strong, and attractive.